It has been a long time since I gave you an update on how the Untold Engine is going, and I think it's time to let you know about all of the features that I have been working on. So let me begin. Number one, the Untold Engine now supports the Vision Pro, the actual device, not just the simulator. It also supports iOS and AR, augmented reality. Next, what I also added, which is really cool, is that I added Gaussian Splatting support. That's correct. You can actually render Gaussian splats using the Untold Engine. But before you get all excited, just let me tell you that it's not as performant as I wish, and the reason is because the sorting algorithm that I'm using in the Untold Engine to sort the splats is not very, it's very slow. I'm using the Pythonic sorting algorithm. I should use the radix sorting, but that is very complicated to implement. So I'm gonna leave that until some other time when I have time to implement that. Nonetheless, you can render Gaussian splats, especially if there are small scenes. Next, what did I add or what did I implement is that I implemented a domain-specific language, a DSL. And basically I did that so I can have my own scripting language for the Untold Engine. So you can actually, script using the Untold Engine. You do not have to, recompile the engine every time you make a change. You can just open up the editor, open up, Xcode, write your script, and then hit reload, and the whole, the engine will pick up the script, and you can see your changes right away without having to, recompile the whole engine. And I think that's really cool from an user perspective. Next, what did I add? The other thing that I actually worked on is a build system. So now through the editor itself, you can actually, set which platform you want to build your game for. So right now I have it for macOS, iOS, and Vision Pro. And to be honest with you, only the macOS has been tested, and even then I think I have some issues that I have to fix. But just to let you know, it's there, and if you find any issues, any bugs, please let me know so I can fix them. And the other thing that I worked on this past month actually was that I improved the scripting language for the Untold Engine. I have been working a lot on making that scripting language as as useful as possible. But it's going to take quite a while for it to become really, really good. But nonetheless, you can use it. And also, I updated the documentation for the Untold Engine, specifically on how to use the scripting system. So hopefully that is very helpful to you. And finally, I released an app bundle for the Untold Engine. It's called Untold Engine Studio, and what it basically is just the Untold Engine and the Untold Editor combined, so that developers do not have to clone the Untold Engine repos at all. All what they have to do is download the DMG, copy it to their application folders, and they can run the Untold Engine from there without having to clone anything. And yeah, I hope that makes the user experience a lot better for game developers. It has been, I guess, like 2 months of a lot of work, but I'm very happy with where the engine is at right now. And of course, I'm gonna keep working on this. I'm gonna keep making it better. I'm gonna focus a lot on the user experience, which that is something that really I like to focus on. So I'll see you guys next time, and if you find any issues with the engine, please let me know, and so that I can fix them. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.